Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpan here, and today is my birthday today. Because you know my birthday is November the 16th, so today I have some new rolling stock that I'd like to share with you guys that I got for my birthday. Because I don't have any new locomotives, but I do have a locomotive that's on the way. But we'll get to that in a second. So I'd like to show you guys the new rolling stock I have. So they're all Walthers mainline. So you're wondering what they were. They're the brand new Trinity 4750 hoppers, which you can see. I have 3 of them. One I have is Burlington Northern. You can see. And then I have a second one, another Burlington Northern. And the third one is this one, is BNSF. So apparently I got 3 of them today. I'm really happy with these because this is a brand new model from Walthers, and they look absolutely very nice. I can't wait to show you guys what they look like. So there's that. They look real nice. So I'm gonna unbox this in front of you guys to see what they right now. So unbox. You know, you just open up from this side. You slide it out like that, and it comes with a package in a plastic packaging. So you just lift it up like this, and take up the wrapping, and there it is. That's what it looks. Here it is. It looks very stunning. Wow, looks really cool. So we'll get this onto the tracks, and then we'll begin the review. So, starting off with the front, as you can see, it doesn't have much detail on the front, because you can see it's just basically just not much detail. It's got the Perlamax couplers, molded in details, and you can see, if you look carefully, they look all molded in and such, and trucks are nice. They're nice free rolling, plastic trucks. So, yes, the bearing caps do not rotate. Which is, I don't mind that. And paint job is nicely done on this side. So I'll show you the other side. So you can see it's got some good detail here. Brake wheel detail wise is nicely done. Coupler. And I can show you the top. You see the roof is nicely done. These things are not see-through. They're just molded in. It's good stuff here. I think the paint job is nicely done there. It's nice and smooth. So, there's that. So, let's show you the other side. You see, lots of good detail. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. And you can see, this part is also not see-through as well. Walkway of some sorts. And let me show you the underbody. So you can see the underbody is very nicely done too. It's got the plastic. I think these are all plastic. I think you might need to be extra careful about these things because they can break off easily. And very nicely job detail on the bottom. And then the trucks. Nicely done too. So it is a free rolling stock, so you can see it rolls nice and smooth. Very nice. I just love the metal wheels on it. So anyways, my take on this hopper is that I think this is a very nice modern hopper to have on your layout, because you know it's perfect for anyone who models like, you know, 70s, 80s, 90s, or the current era or modern era, like what I do. Because you know, I end up getting one of these because I still see these a lot, because you know, these BN hoppers are still roaming around the rails today, because I still see a lot of those, whether it's like grain trains. Sometimes I don't see them much on like the grain trains with like the Trinity and Gunderson hoppers, and I sometimes see them with grain trains with all older hoppers like the Pullman Standards or the FMC hoppers or AFC ones. And sometimes you see these on mixed freights as well. So, thought I'd pick one of these up and And I thought this was actually a very nice car. And I definitely think about getting more of these something soon. So, anyways, so now I'll show you all three of the hoppers now unboxed. So, yeah. Alright, so now I have 1, 2, and 3. I have all three of the hoppers out. As you can see, I have the two BNs. Here's the first one, and the second, and then here's the BNSF. So, when we zoom in, it looks very nice. Paint job is nicely done. Really impressed with it. So, with that, so there you go. So those are all three of them out of the box. So, anyways, I'm actually really glad I got these for my birthday. They are very nice. I'm glad I picked these up at Midwest Models, which more likely I ordered online. These, so, and I gotta say, they're really nice cars indeed. And I'm really hoping to get more of these. Like, hopefully, I might think about getting like possibly like KCS or maybe MKT or several other road names. So, anyways, thank you all for watching, and see you guys next time. And I'll leave you guys a little bit of a run by these in action. Alright, bye.